seriously speaking, there is no such thing as a secret. Welcome back guys, I'm Ankush and I'm preparing for JEE 2026 and I have been on self-improvement for 3.5 years. So I have faced many hurdles in this journey, and that's why I want you guys to know one thing. These videos, these articles that claim my 5-step protocol or my 7-step formula, these are the only things that you will ever need to fix your own life. They are fraud, because just say to yourself this: you keep watching those videos, reading those articles, and making and breaking your own progress. If something is not working right, that means there is something off. And so if there was truly a magical formula, then it would equally work on all the people in this world and you wouldn't be facing a damn problem in your life. Now what does this mean? This basically means that there is no clear-cut magical formula that is suited for each and every person in the world. And in modern era, this one for all magical formula is known as the secret, which people try to sell to you. Now for the returning viewers, I would just like to say that the last entire week or probably 10 days or so, I was not active at all because my new academic session started just now, and hence I'm not able to manage the time properly because there has been so much changes in my schedule, and it will take a week or two for me to get consistent with it and improve over time, and hence these videos for now at least might be infrequent, but I'll try to get back on track as soon as I can. And that's basically it. Enjoy the rest of the video. Part 1. How it started. If there is one universal fact you can't deny, that is that people are jealous. Now the one part where jealousy takes its maximum effect is when people become jealous of other people's progress. Jealousy is not only the feeling that, oh, I wish I had what he had, or I had the same conditions as him or her. This is not only jealousy. The actual true cause or root of jealousy, you can say, is insecurity, because people are insecure about their own incapabilities. They painstakingly know the difference between them and the successful people. That is, they are not disciplined at all and the successful people are disciplined as anything. That is why the successful people are making progress and they are not making progress. Hence, that causes a spark of insecurity inside them. It's kind of like facing the mirror for a reality check whether you are performing to your true potential or not. That is the reason why people feel so insecure when they are around someone who is successful. They are always jealous of the person who is successful. Now what do they do to escape this reality? Since they don't do the work themselves, only the thing they can do is make up random and BS stories which makes them feel more secure. I would like to give an ancient example, that is, people speak about the story of apple falling on the head of Isaac Newton and hence he discovered gravity and that sort of stuff. We all who have more than 2 brain cells know that that story is absolutely false and that is not the case. Sure, he might have taken inspiration from falling off apples in his garden, but the story of apple falling on his head is absolutely BS. That is why unintelligent people or incapable people try to justify his findings by telling that, oh, it was just a coincidence. No, goddamn no, right? He was a true genius. I won't get into the rant, but he is a lot less credited than he actually should have been. But anyways, let's get back to the point of the video. So the secret I was speaking about, right? What happens when this story of secret goes viral? The one thing that initiates the propagation of this story about secret is that successful people or people who are rich or people who have better gains in the gym or something like that, basically people who are successful in any sphere of life, they are told to have something which the mediocre people are not aware about. That means it is advertised that they have something and they use some special tactics which the mediocre people are not aware about, or the mediocre people cannot simply access them. Now come to part 2, how it is going. If you already did not know, then the reason why successful people are successful is because they have a better than average intellect. That is why they found an opportunity to monetize even these stupid stories. Let's say you are inside a box. What these intellectuals do is sell you more secrets inside of that box. And what happens as a result? You are still inside of the box. But in reality, there is a whole new world outside the box, and these successful people are aware about the outer and exterior world. But they are still selling you secrets which are inside the box. And if you have been paying close attention to my words, then you will probably see a pattern. And that pattern is mediocre people always try to justify their weakness. And successful people always exploit that weakness of mediocre people. The greater the weakness, the more amount of exploitation will be done by the rich people, and the more rich they will get. I'm using the words rich and successful as synonyms in this video because a level of economic success is always appreciated no matter which part of your life you are in. Now, if you were into self-improvement few years back, then you would know that the secret and the videos with clickbait thumbnails and clickbait titles of the secret to getting into top 1%, the secret of beating 99% people, all of this was not the trend. It's only after the trend of successful people that came a few years back that the entire space changed. In the recent years, Elon Musk has gotten really popular, Andrew Tate has gotten really popular, and that is why these people who are not successful themselves, who are not at the level of Andrew Tate or Elon Musk, they try to justify their own weakness by selling the secrets that they make you think is what will make you from here to here. The rich people already exploit the weakness, and the broke people who have an intellect greater than the average, they also exploit the weakness and get into the rich category. They appeal to the insecure minds of normal and mediocre people. Andrew Tate has a very nice philosophy which I really like, that is, broke people can get you rich because enough broke people have money to get you rich. Let's say 1 million people are totally broke and you hit on their weakness. You find a way to monetize it and find a way to exploit it. Even if they just give you $1 for each person, then you are already sitting on $1 million. Part 3. Is there any secret? If you have already watched this part of the video, you should already know that there is no quote-unquote secret. But you know what? There is a common sense which is not so common nowadays. The only thing that will ever help you to get closer to your goals is just working towards your goals. It's so simple as that. For example, if you want to master violin, you will not go and play the piano, right? Sure, the piano lessons will give you idea about music and how to write music and musical notations and how music works and different things like that. But in practicality, you won't be able to understand anything. You won't be able to play the violin because that is not something you have practiced at all. Similarly, if you want to get something done, why are you trying to switch tasks and do other things? If you have, let's say, 10 questions to solve through, then why are you going to a different topic or different book or a different subject or even scrolling reels or TikTok or something like that during or after solving 1 or 2 questions? That just does not make sense, because if you want to get something done, then you have to get something done. This is the common piece of knowledge that I wanted to share to all of you who are not even understanding this common knowledge. And that is the reason why I say that common sense is not so common nowadays. If there is anything which is worthy of being called a secret, then it is just grinding and achieving and trying to achieve the results you want. Failure is an option, but not acting is not an option. Failure will teach you many things. Not acting will not teach you anything. You can read 1000 books, apply 1000 protocols, watch 1000 podcasts, but you won't improve until you take action. And if you just take anything from this video, let it be this, that you have to work in order to get the results. Most of you are familiar with the first law of physics, and if you are not, I'm just clearly saying that if you push something, it will move. Similarly, if you work, then the stuff will get done. If you don't work, the stuff will not get done. Same in physics, same in real life also. Now, if you want to know about my 3 years of YouTube experience, go and click this one, or else go and make your best version your worst enemy by clicking on this one. I'll see you in the next one. Start if you haven't already.